noodles.
Happy hour, boss.
Is it really happy?
Yes.
But cheap tickets.
Yeah, cheap,
That's the problem.
Right. I understand.
인도 형님 다시 만났어요.
마레시 형님이랑 같이 비치 왔는데 너무 좋네요. 밤바다가 이렇게 좋구나. 네, 형님이 사주신 맥주 하나 들고 지금 왔어요. 바닷바람도 너무 좋고 분위기가 너무 좋다. 역시 배운 사람이랑 와야 돼. So you worked in army, right?
Navy.
So you retired this one, right?
Yeah, so I mean, I got another 7-8 years, but I've decided next year is 1 year more and then I'm gonna just chill,
That's better for you.
travel.
Cheers.
It's nothing like traveling. The memories that you take, I think that's the only thing which is worthwhile.
Right. 여기는 처음 걸어보는데 여기도 이렇게 번화가네요. 쇼핑몰 같은 데도 있고 빠통비치에서 바로 나오면 있는 거리인데 쭉 이렇게 해변 따라서 번화가가 형성돼 있는 거리도 너무 예쁘다. Thank you for having me today.
Oh, come on, man. The pleasure is all mine, you know, it's so nice to meet you. What kind of food do you like?
Actually, I love all kind of food. Yeah.
Still, I mean, what do you prefer?
Actually,
Italian?
I love noodles.
Noodles, wow.
Noodles. I think all kind of noodles. I
Ramen.
Love, ramen, and some rice noodle.
Okay.
And I love spaghetti too. Especially my favorite one is oil pasta. Oil pasta.
Okay. Aglio olio.
Aglio olio and vongole. Yeah, I love it.
Korean ramen in India.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the departmental stores are full of them.
Yeah, right. It's so delicious.
Different flavors and all, so many flavors in colorful packs.
Right. And even I like India curry and chicken curry.
Where have you tried that?
with naan.
Oh my
I
God.
love it.
Where did you try that?
In Korea, it's common.
Really?
Yeah, but there are many Indian
restaurants, is it?
Yeah.
Chicken curry and naan.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice. When I work for the company
Okay.
in Seoul, there is a very good Indian restaurant around my company.
Okay.
Every day the menu is different. So, and
Wow.
Thursday, lunch menu is a chicken curry. So I go every time. They are so nice. Actually, butter chicken is best for me.
Yes. Butter chicken is awesome.
Uh,
And if you ever come to India, you must go and visit Delhi.
Delhi
And there is this place called Bandara Road.
Bandara Road.
That is like the house of butter chicken.
Oh.
Butter chicken was born there. There are some about 10 restaurants there, and any restaurant you just walk in,
Oh.
the best butter chicken in the world.
Yeah, I need to go Delhi.
Talking about this one.
Only 180, we have Thai, we have seafood, we have pizza, burger, everything, soup, salad, everything.
Noodles?
Noodles, we have noodles first.
What noodles?
Happy hour bus?
Is it really happy?
Yes. you know what we call? Happiest hour. Welcome boss.
107 front?
Anyway boss, Thank you man.
형님이랑 여기 또 레스토랑 왔어요.
I love the accent.
Indian?
Indian language, you know, that's Hindi. It's a movie song.
But after the pronunciation is...
Me too, yeah. This time I'm hearing Indian music is amazing. So tell me, what's your specialty in Thai? What's the best?
와, 여기 꽤나 비싼데? 가격대가 꽤 있네. 와.
What do you recommend? Pork. And some noodles for my friend.
This one. Is there glass noodle inside, right? You like Indian seafood? You like?
Absolutely.
Okay. Innoy.
It's like you come to Delhi and listen to BTS.
Oh my god. 이 형님이 저보고 델리 오면 BTS 취급받을 거라고 얘기하시네.
Very cool smile. Beautifully done up place.
아, 너무 좋네요. 피피섬 놀러 가서 만난 형님이랑 같이 이렇게 공연도 보러 오고. 와, 엄청 예쁘게 나온다. 바카파오. 카오소이.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. 끝나카.
Can we get a pic with you? Come on.
오케이.
So, come.
깜깜깜.
Together.
아, 오케이.
Oh yes.
하이루.
She also beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you.
끝나카.
아리가또. 감사합니다.
코리아야, from Korea. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
네, 가올리.
พูดไทยได้
She also beautiful, yes? No, she.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Fan of Thai food, you know.
Oh, yeah. I love Thai food too. 이게 야문센인데 해물 들어간 여기 글래스 누들 들어가고 이건 파카파오 라이스. 네.
Damn good.
It's good.
Awesome.
와우. 먹어보겠습니다.
Have this. Yeah. Very good.
진짜 맛있다 여기.
You like anything because last year.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Try this noodle.
Very flavorful.
Yeah.
And the flavors are so mild, not strong. You know, very light, mild flavors.
맛이 진짜 부드러워요. 하나 뭐 자극적인 거 없이 근데 맛있는 맛. 이거 잘한다. 맛있다.
Very well made. Amazing food. No. Oh, wow. Not a big fan.
아, 오케이.
How are you guys happiest?
So nice.
Good.
Amazing food.
Yeah.
Very
Just want to
happy.
make sure that if you want to get some more drink or whatever, also want to make sure that you guys get the last proper last course as well.
아, 오케이.
Thank
Yeah,
you so
thank you.
much. We already
Enjoy
had
it.
enough of drinks, but the food is amazing.
Right, that's good. I just want to make sure after the meal you're getting free ice cream too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That's the perfect meal, you know.
Yeah, right.
Food, sweet. Perfect combination. Sure. Have a good
Love
time,
it.
boss.
Okay,
Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
엄청 친절하시네. Yeah, so kind.
That's one thing you find only in Thailand. The warmth of the people is amazing.
Yeah, right. Thailand slogan is Land of Smile.
Actually.
사람들 지나가는 거 보면서 먹고 있어요. 음식들. 와, 너무 맛있다 오늘. 저도 돈을 내려고 하는데 이 형님이 또 사주신다고 하셔가지고 아이고 너무 죄송한데.
Thank you, brother.
Have a nice day. Good night. Yeah?
That's for you. Good night. Nice meeting you.
Yes.
Keep smiling.
와.
Should we?
Thank you for the dinner.
Pleasure is all mine.
Oh my god. If you come to Korea, I have to buy for you.
Done. Now I'll have to come.
Yeah, really.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Your hotel is which side? This side, this side?
This way. Yeah.
12:37. I got to go and back.
So you need to go there around 5, right?
4:30.
4:30? Wow.
7:30 is the flight, so I was asking at the reception. She said you should leave 3 hours before.
아.
So 4:30 is the cab. Came from Bombay to Bangkok. I started at my flight was again at very 7:45 in the morning. So I woke up at 4
My god.
and reached the airport at 4:45, 3 hours before international flight. Bangkok to Phuket. Again morning 7:55 flight.
Really?
I again had to leave at 4:15 from the bloody hotel. This time again 7:30 flight. And again I have to leave in the morning. And when I get back to bloody Bombay, again it's a bloody 7:55 flight. So again I'll have to leave at 4:15 in the morning.
My God.
I'm really screwed up in booking the flight.
What happened to your booking? But
Cheap tickets.
yeah, cheap,
That's the
right,
problem.
Right. I understand. We'll send you the Chiang Mai list. And
Yes, do
I
that.
will
I'll
send
look
you-
forward to it.
Okay. No problem.
All right, see you. Bye bye.
Okay. Save your flight.
Thank you.
And take care.
Thank you so
Keep in,
much.
keep in touch.
Will do.
Okay.
I'll ping you.
Okay.
Bye bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye. Take care. 형님 이제 가셨네요. 아유 너무 유쾌한 형님인데 진짜 젠틀하시고 영어도 너무 잘하시고 존경합니다. 한국 오실 계획이 있다고 하니까 한번 오시면은 제가 한번 제대로 대접해야 될 것 같고 내일 또 치앙마이 가신다고 하는데 제가 이제 치앙마이 관련된 리스트를 좀 드리기로 했어요. 저도 한 치앙마이 한 3번, 4번 가봤으니까 형님한테 좀 도움이 될 수 있도록 잘 정리해봤습니다. 긴 영상 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 항상 몸 건강하시고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 바이바이.